Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.3, Problem 12. This is Section 3.3, Problem 12. It says compute an exact answer to the problem shown, and we have four numbers to add together, 3.14 plus 2.72 plus 9.41 plus 8.06. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the decimal points are lined up, and they are. They're all in line vertically. Each number has the same number of places after the decimal. So I can just start adding the digits. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 more is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. So for 13 I write 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 0 is 13. So put the 3, carry the 1, and again the decimal comes straight down into the answer. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. So the final answer is 23.33.